Hey guys, how's it going? Today's project, I'm going to make another little desk clamp out of this old piece of pine I've got lying around. I'm going to put it on the lathe and wood turn it into a rocket, a shape of a rocket. It's going to sort of be launching up, leaving a trail of smoke. I'll be making out of this pillowcase stuffing. And then in the middle of this, I'm going to incorporate some of these little fairy lights to see if I can light that trail up.
Can't wait to leave this town, 'cause lately I've been feeling down. The cold nights just don't feel the same. Oh, like my life inside a car. Hit the button, drive real far. Put that record on me like, I'm dreaming of you, I dream of a new life. Fight in the dark till we see the sunlight. My love, it's you and I. Close, close until that is fine. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Alright guys, so I've turned the main rocket on the lathe and I've just attached it to this pole and screwed it onto this little base. Now I'm just going to hot glue the little tail wings on, and then I'm going to hot glue the lights up and down this pole, and then hot glue all this pillow stuff in to make that smoke trail. So yeah, I don't know how it's going to go. I haven't done anything like this. But it seems pretty easy, so I'll just give it a go and we'll see what it turns out like.
You can't wait to see me now, 'cause lately you've been feeling down. You lay awake alone at night. Oh, like your life inside a car. Forget the world and drive real far. Put that record on again. Oh, my love, it's you and I. Close, close and cool, that is fine. So reach for the stars, 'cause we're aiming high.
Righto guys, here it is, the final product. I'll just turn these lights off so you can have a better look. Okay, let's turn it on. So I've just spray painted lightly some black and grey areas in this smoke. So there's the wood turned rocket, and then I've just got the little tail pieces and the base. So this is just battery operated. So yeah, this whole project cost me, I don't know, maybe about $5 maximum. I was using mainly just scrap pieces of material from around the house anyway. It looks really cool. I'm not sure if the camera's really giving it justice. But yeah, there it is. I'll leave you with some close-up shots. So yeah, this video is probably going to be pretty short. I sort of just rushed through this project. It only took me less than an hour to make because I'm heading out of town tomorrow. I'll be away for a couple of days, so I just really wanted to get this done. But yeah, I'm happy the way it turned out anyway. I think it looks cool. I should have said this earlier, but subscribe if you haven't already and leave a thumbs up. You can share this video if you like as well. So it felt good to get back on the lathe. I know the last video was just a little bit crafty. So was this one, but yeah, it felt good to do some woodworking again. So yeah, thanks for watching. It wasn't really a tutorial type of video, it was more of just like a showcase build video. I hope you liked it regardless. I'm trying to try a few different things. You'll notice that I got some lights and I'm changing the microphone just to see how that works and the background and stuff like that. I don't know how long it'll last, I'll probably just keep changing the things around, but I'm trying to make these videos a bit better quality. Let us know if you've got any ideas for me, and I'll see you in the next video.